Ripengrang sakanti ko dimchakso anga Theophil Nokrek Bangladesh Shuni Dhaka Bangladesh Shuni ya Bangladesh ni ya political situation power situation warangko aganatna ya Bangladeshu ya Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina resign ka ya bonga tariku August ni uni resign ka ni jamanu ya mass people ya bini dongram Nokuba ya Gono Bhavanu ya Gemuk Mandiri Bai ya Lut Ka Nokrang ko Pia Aro ya Parliament House ko Pia Aro bini ya Office ko Pia Maina Gumun ya situation nga Warang ko nga Kandigi aganat gen ya Bangladeshu ya Achikrang donga lak gni sak lak gni achikrang donga ndiba ya Dhaka city donga ya capital city donga 30,000 ya 30,000 achikrang safe donga dauba mangba ongkujainga angade chanche achikrang ni mangba ongjawa ya ndiba chinga chanchia ya government change ni gemon achikrang ni innoba untisa pressure ba mamung ni pressure ongna bagnang ya border jolu achik dungwarang ba daw ni dipete save dungkonga ya khasirang ba save dungkonga ripengrang ya minor gumun ya movement onga minor gumun resign kha ya de ya service government service ni reservation ni gumun sha ya movement onga against government ya Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina ya 2018 student ang movement ka ya government reservation ko cancel ka ya reform ka na ami ya 56% seat ya government service reserve donga uni gemon ya meritorious student ang ya government service manna longin nga ya student ang demand ka ya reservation ko Disa reduce kana nangno ni reform kana nangno ni demand ka 2018 ya demand kani gemen ya Prime Minister khao nangi ya reservation ko total reservation ko cancel ka da student ang demand de dongamu reform kana indi ba ya Prime Minister cancel ka da ya 100% in meritorious uni gemen ya freedom fighter rang na 30% reservation dongamu aro ya jala kota jala reservation dongamu 10% dongamu women reservation aro dongamu ya ethnic minority warang na 5% disabled rang na dongamu 1% wa cancel ongani gemon ya freedom fighter ni bisarang sorang ar service manjajok aro jala quota or women quota ya indigenous ya ethnic minority quota ya achikrang ba dongamu wa ethnic minority quota ude yarang ba cancel ongmani ya service rang manjajok ya problem de ongjok cancel ongani zaman hu ya 2024 ya bilsi ya june jao ya freedom fighter rang ni bisarang ya high court read ka Read petition kani gemen High Court verdict rona ya June ni bunga tariku ya Bangladeshu ya reservation dawa government reservation cancel kagoba dawa revive ongjok 30% reservation ya freedom fighter ni bisarang na aro seorang na dawa reserve ong taijok uni gemen ya student ang khao nangi ya demand ka reservation reform kanani ya government mamung naba khnaja government worker ko deny ka government ya agana yede high court ni issue yede government ni ongja high court declare kajok changada amachim ya reform kana cancel ka ndiba ya high court ka ada yede high court ni subject ni agana student dang ndiba yawarang ko manija student dang agana ya chingade ndiba reform kana nangen chingna service ko ya government service ko reform khaimna chingna onbo chingade cancel ba amja Cengade revive bamja reform kanagana. 10% reservation ko ama total. 90% meritorious. Government ndiubak naja. Government ya movement ko control khanani ya government ni student wing Chhatro League ko isong use ka Chhatro League rang ya movement kagwarang ko belongin dokka aro gochechepa ya michik rang ko ba chatri rang ko ba dokka isong ko chadengron ja ya July ni 15 belongin ya student Chhatro League rang song attack kaim na belongin sadigata mana Ndiuba ya student movement de stop khaja student rang ya 16 July ko complete shutdown declare khai whole Bangladesh ko ya shutdown kha whole Bangladesh shutdown khani gemon ya chingni office rang ba close ongjok aro ya government racist kana ma isongni police answer BGB warangko rai racist ka Ndiuba student rang belongin dakani gemon student guardian aro gepen professional rang lawyers journalist warang ba cultural activist warang ba demand ka student rang ko support ka ya